5 cheap things to do with kids in Orlando. Number 1 on our list is Gatorland. At Gatorland, you can see gators of different sizes, you can feed the gators, see shows featuring gators, and lots more. You can also visit the petting zoo and feed the animals, as well as take a train ride around Gatorland. Gatorland also has a splash park for those hot Orlando days. Tickets start at $29.99 for adults and $19.99 for kids, and they frequently have Florida resident specials. The number 2 cheap activity in Orlando is bowling. The largest bowling alley in the area is Boardwalk Bowl, and that's located in the Waterford Lakes area. If you want to bowl by Disney, there's Splitsville. Universal has Galaxy Bowl at the Cabana Bay Resort, and iDrive has King's Dining and Entertainment. Weekdays during the day tend to have cheaper rates. Number 3 cheap activity in Orlando is Crayola Experience. At the Crayola Experience, kids can enter a world of color. They can play with color on the screen, they can draw, they can make their own crayon. They can do spin art, they can color puppets, they can make their own coloring sheets. There's so much to do there. The kids will have a fantastic time. Tickets are cheaper if you buy them online. They're $25.99 per person. Number 4 is the Swan boats at Lake Eola. These are pedal boats that you can take out for a ride on the lake. We do recommend going on one of the cooler days in spring or fall. The boats fit 4 comfortably and they cost $15 for 30 minutes. They also now have a wheelchair-accessible swan boat. Number 5 on our list for cheap things to do in Orlando is Fun Spot America. Fun Spot has 2 locations, one in Kissimmee and one in Orlando. They have a variety of rides for adults and older kids, as well as a little kiddie area. They have multiple go-kart tracks and a bungee swing. While this is the most expensive of the cheap activities at $54.95 per ticket, if you do have a younger child, they will allow you to ride on the rides with them for free. You just have to ask for a chauffeur pass. If you want to know about more cheap things and other activities to do in Orlando, hit the plus sign to follow us.